Hello, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. We are baking coconut bread today, and this is very good for those that don't want to take a lot of calories. It is very healthy, guys. So if you're looking for how to replace all-purpose flour, gluten from your diet, this is an option for you. Coconut flour is kind of tricky to work with, so I advise you to stick to the recipe to the letter. It actually needs a lot of moisture because it can dry out quickly, because you know the way the coconut flour is, it is loose. It's not like normal flour that is tight and like is smooth. It's not smooth at all. So guys, please follow the recipe and all the ingredients that I have listed in the video. Coconut bread needs as much liquid as possible. If you noticed, I even added a little bit of water again. I added 4 eggs. Can you imagine, for that tiny cup of coconut flour? So if you follow it like this, I am very sure that you get a very simple and easy coconut bread. Don't worry, just keep on watching. You see what I achieved at the end of this video. So I have mixed all my ingredients together, and I am mixing it well to be sure that everything is well fused together and there's no loose flour anywhere. I'm ready to bake now. So like I said, coconut can be very drying. So what I like to do is I oil my baking tin before I go on to place the parchment paper, so that I know that nothing is going to be left on my tin by the time I'm ready to take it out. Sometimes you might still have some batter like spreading, and at the end of the day, if it's not oiled, it will stick to the tin and it will be difficult for you to remove. So before you bake, I'll just tap it so that all the bubbles can come out, all the air bubbles can be released, and I'll bake at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. And guys, our coconut bread is ready. Let's check, let's do a test and see whether it's actually ready. If your skewer comes out clean, that shows that it is ready. Let's check again. It is ready. You can see nothing on the skewer. And now it's time to cut it into slices. Feel free to cut it into any shape, any form you like. You can see the way the coconut bread is. It's still very moist, and is the perfect thing for you to pair with a cup of tea, with juice, whatever liquid you want to enjoy it with. Like I said earlier on, this is a very good option for you if you don't want to consume flour, if you're looking for how to get rid of white flour and all that. Coconut is a very good option, just like almond and everything. If you follow the recipe, you have your own delicious coconut bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly share, kindly thumbs up, kindly drop a comment, and please subscribe for more recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.